it's Arthur again. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful 2012 Porsche Panamera Turbo S. This car is gray with cream leather interior. It's here because it needed to be serviced as well as new brakes installed. This car is only 32,000 miles on it. It's in very nice condition. The owner has had it for about 6 years. These are very fast cars, especially in Turbo S form. They do 0-60 in under 3.5 seconds and quarter mile in 11s. For 2012, it was one of the fastest cars and also does 190 miles an hour top speed. Let's take a look at the inside. This one has carbon fiber all around. Exceptionally clean, 32,000 miles, carbon fiber steering wheel, very nice condition. Has suede headliner, very nice car. These are very wide. When you drive them, they feel very wide. One thing I'm not a fan of, that it doesn't have soft closed doors, but a lot of cars don't have them, so I won't be so judgmental on that. Spoiler is up. It also goes down to make it look more sleek. Let's take a look at under the hood. Here's a look under the hood. It's the 4.8 liter V8 twin turbo, 550 horsepower, 553 pound-feet of torque. Can also get to up to 590 pound-feet of torque in certain settings. So these engines are actually pretty reliable. I don't think there's that many issues with them other than coolant leaks usually and oil leaks. But this one, being a low mileage example, is in excellent condition. It's missing one cover over here, but the owner has it as one of the grommets is missing, and he's gonna install it on his own. Now let's lift it up and take a look at it from the bottom. Okay, let's take a look at the bottom of this Panamera. Let's go start from the back. I apologize, it's getting a little bit dark. See the quad exhaust in the back, valved on both sides. This is the air compressor for the suspension. This model has a airbag suspension all around, front and rear. See the dual exhaust. These cars are pretty covered on the bottom. You can't see much on them. It's a transfer case. This is the all-wheel drive version. As it's a turbo, all turbos are all-wheel drive. This car had some new suspension installed some time ago. I did have this panel down and it looks very clean underneath. There's no oil leaks or anything like that. To do the oil change on these, you have to drop this panel as well as one other support brace. Overall, I'm a big fan of these cars. Please comment, like, and subscribe. There are more videos to come.